Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Vikas Dua. I'm heading the Department of Pediatric Hematology, Oncology and Bone Marrow Transplant at Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon, which is near to New Delhi in India. And today we are sitting with our friends Emily and Emily's mom. Emily is 14 years of age and was diagnosed to be having sickle cell anemia early in her childhood. She was suffering because of sickle cell in the form of pain crisis and multiple issues, and finally the family decided that we will opt for a one-time solution which is called bone marrow transplant because there were frequent in and outs in the hospital. And when we talk about a bone marrow transplant, everybody wants to know who is the best donor. Unfortunately, I would say unfortunately, there was no full match donor in the family. So we decided that we can proceed with something called a half match transplant or haplo transplant, with which you can achieve reasonably good outcomes by taking parents or a half match sibling as a donor. So after a lot of conversations over the telephone and a lot of discussions, the family came to us, and now it's almost 4 months post transplant. The girl underwent a half match transplant with father being the donor, is doing well, and they are happily going back to their home country, which is Nairobi in Kenya. So I would like to invite the mom to please share her experience.
Thank you so much. As Doc has said, my name is Janet Okal, Emily's mom, and we are so grateful. We come to, first of all, thank God for the successful bone marrow transplant. And we also want to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Vikas and the entire team, Dr. Arun, Dr. Sohini, Dr. Sunisha, Dr. Paminda, Dr. Sylvia, and Dr. Swati. Secondly, I also want to thank the BMT, the most dedicated nurses. They took good care of us when we were at the BMT, led by Senior, Smith, Habans, Jinxie, and all the others. We want to thank God for for using them to just make us have a wonderful experience throughout the treatment. We also want to thank Garima, who has coordinated all these things for the past two years. And we are just so grateful that we are going home happy. Zawadi is going home free of pain, just going to start living a normal life and enjoying doing everything that she ever wanted to do. And so we'd like to take this opportunity also to thank the nurses. We have Nurse Punam of OPD. We have the wonderful Miss Puja. The list is endless. The watchman at the entrance who always smiles at us when we are coming in, the warm welcome, and the entire team. We are so grateful. We are so grateful. May God bless you. And we want to take this opportunity again to encourage our friends who are out there, just to give you hope that it works. It's a procedure that works. It has given us hope. And I know that even many that are planning to come, you are in safe hands and you will succeed. God bless you so much. Emily is happy, the entire family is happy, even the sister is happy. She can't wait to receive her.
So I would like to say just one thing. Whenever you go for a transplant, we all understand the fact that yes, there are goods and bads which are being attached with that. It's not that everybody will have a happy ending. We do see complications which happens throughout the world. It's even if you go to the best of the centers in US, there are some patients who don't do well after transplant. But as a family, as a well-wisher, all of us have to see the field side of the glass. What our child has been suffering from. Are we giving a good quality of life to our child? And then meeting a correct doctor, going to a correct place, understanding the prognosis, then deciding is the way forward. So I, on behalf of Fortis and on behalf of my team, would like to say one thing from our side. We would like to give you 100%. Whatever outcomes are there, whether it is 70, 80, 90, but from the hospital side, from the Fortis side, from the doctor's side, we always try to give 100%, and then we leave in the hands of Almighty If the God has written good for us, then we succeed the way Emily has defeated sickle cell. Thank you very much.